the big question that India is asking. Will the Mangalore pub attackers be brought to book or not? Police have arrested the vice president of the Sri Ram Sena, but the founder, Pramod Mutalik, who justified the attack on women, is still to be arrested. Also, there is no confirmation yet whether the BJP government in Karnataka would even consider banning this organization or not. But for the moment, stunned by the public outrage to the attack on women at a Mangalore pub in the name of moral policing, BJP President Rajnath Singh has come out and condemned the incident. The Karnataka Chief Minister too called the incident very unfortunate. But the arrest of the Sri Ram Sena Vice President has sparked off violent protests all across Mangalore. Sena activists damaged buses and other vehicles and even pelted stones earlier this morning.
Mangalore incident is a very unfortunate one. Nobody should take law into their hands. Government will take strict action against the culprits as per law. Police have been given free hand to handle the situation. Yesterday also, few more people have been arrested. This morning, in connection with the attack, also we arrested few people. Give us some time. Investigation is going on.
And speaking of investigations, to get an update, we actually spoke to the IGP of West Karnataka, Mr. A.M. Prasad, a short while back, and here's what he had to say.
Over the last night, another 8 people who were found to be directly involved in the pub attack have been picked up, and this is purely based on the evidence collected. Total arrest so far is 25, and we have also arrested the local leader of the Sri Ram Sena, Prasad Attawar. He has also been picked up, and he will also be arrested in this particular case. Certainly, further arrests will be made depending on their involvement in the incident. Early morning, when the buses start flying, there were 2 incidents of pelting of stones on 2 buses and an attempt to set fire to a lorry. Police immediately and have arrested 4 boys right on the spot. Some more arrests are likely, but no major damage has been reported so far. And now the situation is absolutely peaceful.
And the outrage over the mauling of women in that pub seems to have rattled Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa as well, much more than his reaction suggests. In fact, here he is seen falling from his seat while trying to field questions on that incident, which is fast becoming Karnataka's shame. It's not a problem or an issue that really clearly one can sit on for too long. All right, meanwhile, BJP President Rajnath Singh has said Karnataka has a credible and stable government which takes care of people's aspirations. Also, he is satisfied so far with the action taken by the state government on these developments.
I am also satisfied to note that the Karnataka government has already initiated a strong action against the unacceptable act of hooliganism that took place in Mangalore day before yesterday. The BJP condemns this incident in totality.